Good day everyone, DM's Homes Properties by Ralph San Jose. So in this episode, we're going to have a project discussion video about our latest and first project in Cebu City, which is the Calleja Heights. So it's located at Good Shepherd Road, Banawa, Cebu City. So last time I made a video about the project, the location. I went to the model unit and to the actual site. So I stayed at Summit Hotel, which has the Robinson's Place Mall. So from there, I drove to the site. So it's like from there going to the Calleja Heights location, it's like about 30 minutes drive. So on this video, we're going to cover the project brief of Calleja Heights. But first, let's discuss why Cebu is one of the best places to live in and to go for vacation for tourists and for visitors, and also to live by residents, expats, and retirees. So, Cebu is widely considered as a top destination due to its blend of vibrant city life, rich history, stunning natural beauty, and affordable cost of living. So, the province offers a lifestyle that balances modern convenience with easy access to serene beaches and outdoor adventures. And we got a lot of historical landmarks as well as the site of the first Spanish settlement in the Philippines. Cebu is full of historical sites. You can visit Magellan Cross, Fort San Pedro, and the Basilica del Santo Niño, which houses the country's oldest religious relic. We also have unique cultural spots. Beyond Spanish-era landmarks, Cebu features the Greek-inspired Temple of Leia and the Cebu Taoist Temple, reflecting the area's diverse cultural influences. And of course, yung mga fiesta dito. We have vibrant festivals. The annual Sinulog Festival in January is a major cultural and religious event featuring vibrant street dances and festivities that attract millions of people. Ito, my favorite, access to spectacular nature, world-class beaches. Cebu is an island province surrounded by white sand beaches with popular spots in Mactan, Malapascua, and Bantayan Island. Diving and marine life, the waters around Cebu are famous for marine biodiversity. In Malapascua, divers can spot treasure sharks while the waters of Bohol are known for sardine runs. Lush waterfalls. Adrenaline seekers can go canyoning and swim in the turquoise waters of Kawasan Falls or explore the many other waterfalls scattered across the islands. And lastly, we got the mountain views for hikers. Osmeña Peak offers a breathtaking panoramic view of Jag Hills and the sea. It is strategic location with the Mactan-Cebu International Airport. Cebu serves as a major transportation hub for the Visayas and Mindanao. Island hopping from Cebu ports, it's easy to catch a ferry to other nearby islands like Bohol and Negros for more adventure. For residents, expats, and retirees, ano ba yung advantages in Cebu? Number 1, affordable cost of living. High quality of life. Cebu offers a lower cost of living compared to Metro Manila and many Western countries without sacrificing modern amenities. Budget-friendly expenses like housing, groceries, transportation, and daily services are generally affordable, making it possible for expats and retirees to live a comfortable life on a reasonable budget. Strong and growing economy. Economic hub. Known as the Queen City of the South, Cebu is a major economic center driven by strong tourism and the booming business process outsourcing, the BPO industry. Job opportunities. The robust economy combined with the large number of corporations and startups creates numerous career opportunities for both local and foreign professionals. Balance and urban provincial lifestyle. Urban comforts. The city has modern infrastructure, including shopping malls, high-end condominiums, and reliable healthcare facilities. Proximity to nature. Residents can only transition from bustling city environment to a tranquil beach or mountain retreat within a short drive. Friendly and hospitable community. Welcoming locals, Filipinos are known for their hospitality, and Cebuanos in particular are known for being friendly and accommodating to newcomers. English proficiency. Most locals have a good command of English, which makes it easier for foreigners to communicate and adjust to their new environment. So now let's discuss the Calleja Heights. So the Calleja name is a Polynesian name which means joy and happiness. A resort-inspired development by a trusted brand. An icon of quality. Pioneering construction firm DM Consunji Inc. has built well-known landmarks in Cebu like CC Lex, SM Cebu, Shangri-La's Mactan Resort and Spa, and Ayala FGU Center. So this is our grandfather or the founder of the DMCI Homes, the grandfather of the construction industry, Engineer David M. Consunji. So just to give you an introduction of DMCI Homes, DMCI Homes is the first quadruple A developer in the country, a market leader known for developing innovative and quality resort-inspired communities. So 25 years in the real estate development, and we have award-winning designs and innovations. So these are the list of our projects. Over 80 ready for occupancy and ongoing developments. So as you can see, we have every project in Metro Manila. We have several projects in Manila City. We have 5 projects located in Manila. We have 14 projects in Pasig City. We have 17 projects in Quezon City. We have 19 projects in Taguig City. We have 5 projects in Mandaluyong, 2 in Makati City, 3 in Pasay, 8 in Parañaque City. Las Piñas, we have 3 projects. Muntinlupa City, we have 1 project. Cabuyao, Laguna, we have 1 project. We have in San Juan, Batangas, Carmona, Cavite, Bacoor. We have 2 projects in Baguio. We have 1 in Benguet, which is the Moncello Crest. We have in Male Aklan in Boracay, which is the Alta Vista de Boracay. We have in Davao, 1 in Davao. And of course, we have the first project in Cebu, which is the Calleja Heights. So DMCI Homes is all over the Philippines. Quality craftsmanship delivered as promised. So these are the some of the finished projects. And we have solid track record in on-time delivery. So, nung pandemic, we deliver ahead of time. Sometimes we deliver 1 year ahead, sometimes 6 months in advance. So, yeah. When it comes to turnover date, turnover delivery, no issues at all. We're always on time. Resort-inspired living on a grander scale. So the country's leading developer of resort-inspired communities is launching its first development in Central Visayas, which is the fastest growing region in terms of GRDP in 2023. Value proposition statement. So experience DMCI Homes district brand of resort-inspired communities that features expansive open spaces that connects city living to a park-centric lifestyle. Cebu's biggest open space in a residential condo setting. Later, I'll show you how big is the property. So how big is 3.6 hectares, which is the size of the amenity areas. So it's 2.8 times of Fuente Osmeña Circle, 2.5 times of Mactan Shrine, and 2.7 times of Cebu Provincial Capital. Living within the park, embracing parks to your daily lifestyle. Designed seamlessly, connecting indoor and outdoor spaces development. Optimal design for elevated experience. And yan, we have an additional 1.5 hectare of open space at the roof deck. More open spaces to enjoy Cebu's delightful views at the Sky Park. Wake up with the mountains as backdrop, relax at night with city lights. So, nakita ko to guys nung I was driving along the road in front of the site. So even in you're located in the 7th floor or in the lower floor of the building, you still have the views of the mountain. So we have the 360 views of the mountain, of the Mactan Channel. And of course, we have the Lumivent design. So this is a design, a patent design of DMCI Homes, not only for aesthetics but also for wellness. Balanced lifestyle in the city. So everything's near. If you're in the city and if you want to go to the beach, it's like 30 minutes to 40 minutes drive. And if you want to go to the mountain areas, nature, it's like, 30 to 40 minutes drive as well. If you are coming from the leisure going to the city, same travel time. So lahat malapit sa Cebu. Laid-back environment near the action. Near to your needs. So ito yung mga malalapit na business district and commercial complex in Calaya Heights. Number 1 is the 8 Banawasan Trail, Paseo Arcenas, Ayala Center, Cebu, which is 4.7 kilometers away. City Clock Community Business Park, Cebu IT Park, Cebu South Road Properties. Mall and shopping centers like the Marketplace Banawa, One Pavilion Mall, Metro Supermarket, Ayala Mall Center Cebu, Seaside, SM City Seaside Cebu, Robinson's Galleria Cebu, Ayala's Mall Central Block. So all of them are less than 6 kilometers away. Near to your needs, schools and hospitals. We have the Matias H. Aznar Memorial College of Medicine, Cebu South Hills International School, One World Montessori House, Cebu City National Science High School, University of Cebu, University of San Jose, Recoletos. Sa hospitals naman, we have the Cebu's Doctors University Hospital, Chonghua Hospital, Vicente Soto Memorial Medical Center, Adventist Hospital Cebu, Visayas Medical Center, Cebu Veles General Hospital, Perpetual, Cebu City Medical Hospital, and St. Vincent General Hospital. So all of them are within less than 5-kilometer range, schools and hospitals. So this is the building facade. So it's a resort-inspired development. Modern Tropical is our theme that can be seen on the buildings, landscape, and interiors. So this project is designed for ultimate relaxation. I think this will be the biggest amenity offerings that DMCI has to offer in any of their project. Based on my 13-year tenure here in DMCI Homes. So ito yung pinakamalaking nakita ko na maraming amenities and malaking open space. So qualities in our DNA, most DM service development are best in terms of quality, materials, landscape areas. So more than the NSCP 2015 compliance, Calaya Heights Structural was specifically designed based on the actual condition and specifications using the PBD or performance-based design. Aside from our in-house experts, we partner with the country's top structural designers and international consultants. So we have the quality seal is the internal QA system of DMCI Homes by using a 102-point inspection checklist that are meticulously checked and inspected as a construction progresses. Living beyond structures. So we have several services for unit owners. Like we have the community internet. So it's a subscription-free, unlimited, built-in commercial-grade fiber internet service for residents. So meron na tayong internet sa ating units and also sa common areas. It's a free internet service. We have this DMCI Communities app, mobile app, for easy access to property management and resident services. And also the DMCI Communities Ride Share. So it's a carpool program for DMCI Homes residents as a convenient way of going to and from key destinations areas. So it's a service, it's a van that caters point-to-point locations to bring you to certain locations. DMCI communities, it's a unique DMCI homes that we build communities that are crafted for modern families in a condo setting. Lucrative investment. So right now we offer flexible, very very flexible payment terms. Promos and discounts are usually available. A tangible and flexible investment that can be used for number one, income generation through rental. Resell with higher market price, great for end use. Property prices are normally upward trend, especially in major cities like Cebu City. So right now, since it's a new project, it's still in the introductory price. So definitely, as time goes by, real estate is always, the price is always moving up, going up. So normally, price increase is like twice a year, 3% to 5% yung increase natin. So based dito sa graph showed on the price growth based on the zonal values. So historical zonal values of real properties in Guadalupe, Banawa area. So from 2008, 5,500 price per square, yung mga residential regular, now nasa 24,000 na as of 2024. So price growth based on zonal values. So as seen dito sa graph, historical zonal values of real properties in Guadalupe, Banawa area. So from residential condominium 2008 to 2020 until last year 2024, we're going to discuss about the price per square meter. So from 2008, nasa 15,000 yung price per square ni Guadalupe, Banawa area. Pagdating ng 2020, nasa 72,000, and last year, 2024, nasa 84,000 price per square meter. So dito naman, shown is the price growth for vertical projects. So this is the historical average price per square meter of actively selling condos. So this is it. This is the project information of Calleia Heights. So a total 4.6 hectares in size, total area. We have 4 high-rise buildings, 41 residential floors, and 2 to 5 basement parking levels. We have 2 amenity levels which is located at the ground floor and the roof deck area. So we have 3.6 hectares of open space. Cebu's biggest open space in a residential condominium setting. So we have 4 districts that has its own amenity areas, amenity facilities. So first, sa Leia building, we have the Summit District and the Dawn District. Then sa other buildings, we have the Azure District and the Dust District. We don't know the names of the 3 remaining buildings, and we don't have the details yet kasi hindi pa siya launch. So we're going to focus on the Leia building. So this is the entrance gate. And as you can see, the entrance gate is along the Good Shepherd Road. So we have the drop-off entrance over here. And this will be our drop-off entrance. Then, pagpasok natin sa drop-off entrance, this is the trellised walkway. From the walkway, we have a water garden. And so this is our water garden. So this is the map. So from drop-off area, going to the trellised walkway, we're going to pass by the water garden. And this will be our lounge area. So this is an open concept, open layout of a lounge area. This will be our reception area. This will be our elevator lobby. And we have a snack bar located at the ground floor near the reception area. Yeah, for the outdoor amenities, we have the leisure and the kiddie pool. Comparing to other DMCI Homes project, I think this is one of the biggest leisure and kiddie pool. We have the lap pool. So this is a standard size, 25 meters with 4 lanes. We have the play area for children, for kids. We have the play area and open lawn, so another open space. Yeah, for Dawn District, we have the play area, open lawn. We have a pet park, lap pool, kiddie pool, and the leisure pool. We also have outdoor basketball court. And we have a multi-purpose court for badminton, tennis, or pickleball. And this is something special that I see in this project. We have another basketball court. This is an indoor court facility. So we have 2 basketball courts. So this is I think this is the first time na gumawa si DMCI ng dalawang basketball court in one project. For Azure District, so we have the open field, amphitheater garden, play courts, indoor court facility, and basketball court. So let's move on. We have the terrace garden, picnic area. So for Dust District, we have the leisure pool, play area, picnic area, terrace garden, and a viewing deck. So we have walkways and cycle paths. So normally it's jogging path, but hindi ganito kalaki like sa Calais Heights. So for Calais Heights, we have 1 kilometer of walkways and cycle paths. And this is the look of our sky patio coming from the view from the outside of the building. So it's a 3-floor openings for better lighting and ventilation going to the hallways up to your units. For the indoor amenities, we have entertainment room. We have the fitness gym. For the roof deck amenities naman, we have the Sky Park, Open Sky Lounge, and the Sky Bridge. So we have the Sky Bridge that connects to the 4 buildings. It connects together. So this is something special. It's very unlikely to have this kind of feature, the Sky Bridge, in a building. So makikita mo yung buong city dito, 360. Napakaganda niya. I'm very excited to see this. Definitely, I'm going back to Cebu once na matapos or makomplete na tong project na to. So this is our Sky Bridge. Yeah. So this is the list of our amenities from the Summit District, Dawn District, Azure District, Dust District, Central Plaza, building, mga indoor amenities natin, and from roof deck. For the project facilities, we have the Property Management Office, water refilling station, convenience store, laundry station, snack bar, and kitchen. For our commercial facilities, we have commercial space with parking. And for our launch inventories, so we launch 2nd floor to 11th floor and 33rd floor to 42nd floor. And we have parking slots located in basement 2 and basement 3. So this is the floor plan. So as you can see, we have 12 elevators in total. And for our unit layout, so we have several unit layouts for Calais Heights. We have several 1-bedroom unit, several 2-bedroom, and several 3-bedroom. So they have different cuts, sizes, and layouts. So, but first, I will show you the standard layout muna ng mga ating 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom units. So, for the 1-bedroom, this is the standard cut, which is a 33.50 square meter 1-bedroom unit. So it has balcony. So once you go in, this will be your entrance door. On your left side is the toilet and bath. On the right side is your kitchen. And you have your living and dining here. And this will be your sliding door going to your bedroom. So this will be your bedroom, and you have an access going out to the balcony. So it's a total of 33.50 square meter. And our two-bedroom unit naman is the two-bedroom O-mid unit. So again, we have smaller cuts of two-bedroom and we have bigger cuts of two-bedroom. This one is the mid cut. Ito yung nasa gitna ng small and ng big two-bedroom unit. So this is a total of 61.50 square meters. So this is your entrance door. Once you enter, on your right is your kitchen. On your left, you have your dining over here. And this will be your living area. And your toilet and bath. You have your provision for the washing machine. Washing machine, naka-close cabinet yan. This will be your bedroom number 2. And this will be your master's bedroom. So the access to the balcony is coming from the master's bedroom, which is the bedroom number 1. And we have the 84.50 3-bedroom end unit. And just to showcase you guys the unit perspectives, if the unit is an upgraded unit, naka-interior design and with furnitures. So this is the look of the living and dining area. This is the kitchen for the 2-bedroom. And this is the bedroom naman. And another bedroom. And this will be your toilet and bath. And this is your balcony. And for our 3-bedroom unit naman, so this is a 3-bedroom upgraded unit. So it's a corner unit. All of our 3 bedrooms are located at the corner unit. And this will be our turnover finishes. So this is the list of the finishes from floor, wall, ceiling, kitchen area, toilet and bath, and our doors. Balcony door, entrance door, bedroom door, toilet door. So let's discuss the pricing per unit. So our 1-bedroom, 33 square meters. So we have a minimum of 5.7 million up to maximum of 6.6 million. And for our 2-bedroom naman, so we have a size range from 53 square meter up to 79 square meters. So we have a lot of 2-bedroom unit layouts. So minimum price is 8 million up to 11 million pesos. And for our 3-bedroom, so we have 81 square meters up to 88.50 square meters. The price range from 11.9 up to 13.4 million pesos. So for our parking lot, so we have single parking spaces from 13 square meter up to 17 square meter in size. So the minimum price is 1 million and the maximum price is 1.1 million. So let's discuss the payment and promo terms ongoing right now. So right now we have a minimum 15% down payment spread into 50 months. By the way, the turnover of the project is December 2029. And we also offer promo discount which is 4%. So medyo malaki din yung discount natin na ino-offer. So let's discuss first the 1-bedroom unit. So this is a 1-bedroom unit. The price is 5,844 pesos. The price is VAT inclusive. Just to give you an idea, all of the pricing of DMCI homes are VAT inclusive. Okay? So the list price is 5,844 pesos. Then we less the 4% discount, which is amounting to 233,760 pesos. Okay? So the total contract price would be 5,610,240 pesos. 15% of that is 841,536 pesos. So we less the reservation fee of 20,000 pesos. So the net down payment is 821,536. So we spread it into 50 months. So the monthly amortization for the one bedroom is 16,430.72, payable on October 2025 until November 2029. So it's 0% interest. We also have the balance, which is the commence date, will be on December 2029. So the balance is amounting to 4,768 pesos and 704. So we have in-house financing and bank financing. In-house financing are quite high in interest rates compared to bank financing. So these are the rates for the in-house and bank financing. For the bank financing, it's approximately only more or less. It depends on the bank, and it depends on the interest rates by December 2029. And lastly, we have the closing fees, which is amounting to 589,000 pesos, which is payable on December 2029 on the turnover date, or to be included on your bank loan. So we have an options for the closing fees. You can spread it out together with the monthly amortization. Magiging 10% yung rate niya, a little bit of discount. If you want to pay the closing fees right after the reservation date, for the reservation date, 30 days from the reservation date, magiging 9.6% naman on the lump sum payment. But normally, yung kinukuha natin dito is yung 10% rate or the 10.5% rate, which will be payable on the turnover date. Yan, lump sum payment, or to be included on the bank financing. So, 16,000 pesos, 430.72, payable in 50 months, 0% interest. Okay. So now, if sometimes some clients, they would like to take advantage of the down payment. So pwede rin natin gawin yun. Pwede natin gawin 20% or 30%. If we do 30%, you'll get additional discounts pa. But what I'm showing you right now is the minimum down payment. So next, let's discuss our two-bedroom unit. So same, 15% down payment spread into 50 months and 85% bank financing. So the list price is 8,409,000 pesos. So less the promo discount of 4%. So we got a discount of 336,360 pesos. So ang total contract price would be 8,072,640 pesos. So 15% of the total contract price is 1.210, less the reservation fee of 20,000 pesos. So the net down payment would be 1,190,896 pesos. Spread into 50 months, our monthly amortization is 23,817.92 pesos per month, payable in October 2025 to November 2029. Assuming if we reserve the unit by September 2025. Okay? So this is payable for 50 months, the 23,000, 0% interest. And we have a balance of 6,861,000. You can pay it via cash, bank financing, or in-house financing, which will be commenced on December 2029. And lastly, we have the closing fees of 847,627.20 pesos, payable on December 2029, or to be included on your bank loan. And so this is for the two-bedroom unit. So for our three-bedroom unit, the list price is 12,564,000. So we have a 4% promo discount. So it's less 502,560 pesos. So the net price is 12,061,440. So 15% of that is 1,809,000. Less natin yung reservation fee of 20,000 pesos. Though the net down payment is 1,789,000. So let's spread it into 50 months. So our monthly amortization is 35,784.32, payable in 50 months. So we have a balance of 10,252,000 and we have a closing fees of 1,266,451.20. So, ito yung numbers natin. These are numbers. Reservation fee, 20K. 35,000 for the monthly amortization payable in 50 months. And 10 million for the balance and closing fees. So, these are our promo right now. Now, for example, you decided to pay a certain amount on the balance when the turnover comes. Yeah, it's possible. It's doable. Para mas maliit na lang yung financing natin. Yeah. So, if you have any questions regarding on the payment terms and our promos, discounts, don't hesitate to reach me through my social media platforms. We can maximize the discount. If it's, cash, there's higher discounts pa on top of the regular and promo discounts. There's a lot of discounts that we offer depending on the payment terms. So, what I showed you is the minimum down payment and the minimum discounts. So, one more thing, I will put the link of the other video that I did sa description ng ating video para you can see the actual site and model unit of the Calleja Heights. So, I went to Cebu last June. So, I went there. I stayed at Summit Hotel, Robinson's. It's connecting to Robinson's Mall, Robinson's Galleria, Cebu. So, I stayed there. So, from there, I went to the site. Nag-drive ako doon. So, it's like 30 minutes drive siya. So, para ma-familiarize niyo yung daan going there. And also, I went to the model unit, 2-bedroom model unit sa sales office dun sa Cebu. So, I will put the link of that video sa description. So, you can also watch that video. So, that's it for today, guys. I hope you like our Calleja Heights project presentation. And I'm very, very excited about this project kasi I'm very sure na sobrang ganda nito because of the open spaces, a lot of amenities that are offered, biggest park in a residential or condominium setting in Cebu. So, if you have any questions, please feel free to message me through my Facebook page, Instagram, my mobile number, my email address. I have WhatsApp, I have Viber, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel para updated po kayo sa lahat ng developments ng DM's Homes. So, once again, this is DM's Homes Properties by Ralph San Jose. Thank you and keep safe.